A memorandum of understanding was signed between the iDEX under India's Defense Ministry and US Department of Defense's Defense Innovation Unit to enhance cooperation on defense innovation. The cost negotiations for 31 MQ-9B drones, as well as sourcing over 30% of components from Indian companies, setting up a MRO facility in India, and performance-based logistics support have been finalized after hard negotiations with the US, and the contract will be signed in mid-October. India has issued a NOTAM warning for a range of 1,645 kilometers for the period between 25th to 30th September, and it could be a test of Agni Prime next-generation nuclear-capable ballistic missile. Apart from Su-30 upgrade and new air-to-air and air-to-ground weapons, the Armenian Air Force has expressed its desire to receive training for its pilots and ground crew from the Indian Air Force for its Su-30 SM fighter jets. Indian Navy has commissioned a Kalvari submarine escape training facility constructed by L&T Defense that aims to enhance the escape capabilities of crew from a distressed Kalvari-class submarine. The 12th staff talks between Indian Navy and Indonesian Navy was held in Jakarta to boost cooperation through joint exercises, exchange of subject matter experts in naval aviation and submarines. Eyeing a share of the $100 billion global shipbuilding market, India will be setting up 2 operational mega shipbuilding parks by 2030, located on both the east and west coasts. Recent reports suggest a potential upgrade for India's AMCA 5th generation fighter jet, as AMCA's maximum takeoff weight have been increased to 27 tons, exceeding the 25 tons previously confirmed by the Aeronautical Development Agency few years ago. The aircraft's internal fuel capacity was projected to be 6.5 tons, with an additional 1.5 tons allocated for internal weapons in stealth configuration, which would maintain a 20-ton maximum takeoff weight, with the remaining 5 tons available for additional external weaponry in non-stealth mode. The increase in 2-ton maximum takeoff weight could primarily benefit the internal fuel load and weapons bay size, and might translate to a larger internal weapons bay to carry 6 missiles just like the F-35. The Indian Army is poised to significantly enhance its artillery capabilities with the planned upgrade of 145 M777 lightweight howitzers to M777 extended range variant. That will involve replacing the current 155 mm 39 caliber barrels with longer 155 mm 52 caliber barrels. That will provide a significant boost in firepower, range and precision. The upgrade is expected to take several years to complete and will require substantial investment. However, the benefits will outweigh the costs. The Indian Navy is in the final stages of finalizing the field evaluation trial report in connection with the Project 75I. The Naval Headquarters will send their recommendation to the Defense Ministry next week, and the Navy is all set to recommend the joint bid of Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders and the Germany's ThyssenKrupp Marine Systems to manufacture 6 Type 214 diesel-electric submarines in India. The Indian Navy's choice of the German offer is set to come just ahead of German Chancellor's upcoming visit to New Delhi next month. Today's top 3 comments.
Omar dropped it.